India is a country known for its traditions and customs. In a country like us, gems and jewelry are considered to be a part and parcel of everyone's life. But what are these gemstones? Gemstones are nothing but precious stones or rocks or minerals. These are cut and polished to be used as jewelry piece. Gemstones include diamonds, pearls and colored stones. Organic materials like amber fall under the gemstone category. Majority of the gemstones are hard, but some soft minerals are used in jewelry because of their luster or other physical properties that have aesthetic value. Rare availability and durability are other features that add value to a gemstone. The science of gems is called gemology. The unit of weight for gemstones is metric carat, CTS. 1 carat equals 200 milligram. The gemstone industry in India is considered to be one of the fastest growing sectors in the past few years. It has gained international importance due to the availability of skilled craftsmen following best cutting and polishing strategies. The sector also plays a vital role in increasing the economy of our country, and hence the Government of India has declared this sector as the thrust area for promoting exports. Gemstone formation. Gems are formed under various environmental conditions below the Earth's surface. As a result of mining, some of the gemstones are formed on the Earth's surface and some are brought to the surface via earth processes. These processes are responsible for bringing up the rocks. The various gem formation methods are discussed as follows. Water-mineral interaction. The water that is found close to the Earth's surface comes in contact with the minerals and dissolves it. Cooling or evaporation leads to mineral precipitation. The mineral formation is determined by the dissolved elements in it. For example, if the water had interacted with the silica-rich rocks, silica-rich minerals will form silica SiO2-based minerals. Example, quartz. Hydrothermal deposits. The formation of gems is similar to the water-mineral interaction. Rainwater or water obtained by cooling magma bodies, molten rock, are the solutions here. Example, beryl. Pegmatites. Solidification of water-rich magma and expulsion during the final stages of crystallization forms pegmatites. The crystals grow quickly due to the high water content. Crystals of beryl are formed when pegmatite magma is rich in beryllium. Magmatic gems. Magmatic gems are those that crystallize in magmas or in gas bubbles in volcanic rocks. Example, zircon, topaz, ruby, etc. Metamorphic gems. Metamorphic rocks are those that change due to heat, pressure, and interaction with solutions. Example, high temperature and high pressure forms jadeite, that is jade. Rarely, due to the extreme pressure, diamonds are also formed. Mantle. Kimberlite rocks that are eruptive in nature come from the deep mantles. Those rocks bring diamonds along with them. Extreme pressure and temperature is required to convert graphite to diamond. Hence, diamonds are formed 100 miles below the Earth's surface. Alluvial gem deposits. When the rock is brought to the Earth's surface, it weathers the gems. The gems that are obtained via alluvial deposits are usually round in shape due to their rolling nature in and around the rivers and oceans. Composition of gemstones. Two compounds, namely aluminium and oxygen, when combined together form alumina. Alumina in crystallized condition is termed as corundum. Diamond is the only gemstone made up of a single element called carbon arranged in a cubic form. The common elements that make up the gemstones are silicon, aluminium, iron and magnesia. Other elements are found in traces. Classification of gemstones. Gemstones are classified based on their physical and chemical properties. The physical properties include index of refraction of light, hardness, presence or absence of cleavage, type of fracture, conchoidal, even or uneven in stones without cleavage, specific gravity, streak, color of the powder as determined by rubbing it over white unglazed porcelain. Types of gemstones. Right from the dawn of civilization, man has been fascinated by these colorful, shiny stones. When you ask an example for a gemstone, people will readily quote diamond. But there are many gemstones other than diamond as well. Now let us see the different types of gemstones. Traditionally, gemstones are classified into two broad categories. They are precious stones. These gemstones are highly expensive, rare and hard. There are four types of precious stones, namely diamond, emerald, sapphire and ruby. Semi-precious stones. These gemstones are known for their beauty and less expensive when compared to the precious stones. The different types of gemstones under this category include alexandrite, amethyst, aquamarine, citrine, garnet, grossularite, pyrope, almandine, rhodolite, iolite, onyx, opal, pearl, peridot, tanzanite, topaz and tourmaline. Apart from the above stated, there is yet another category of gemstone called synthetic gemstones. These synthetic gemstones are manufactured in the laboratory and they mimic the original ones in appearance, chemical composition and hardness. Example, synthetic corundum manufactured in France. Gemstones deposit in India. There are a number of factors associated with the gemstone industry, the most important being its geographical location. The gemstone deposits are the central part of the industry. The state-wise deposits, its quality and status are discussed as follows. Jammu and Kashmir. Corundum is a blue sapphire prominently available in Jammu and Kashmir. The quality ranges from a turbid white to a transparent deep blue. The availability is constrained due to climatic and political conditions and is located in the Kudi Valley, Sumjam. Other gemstones available in Jammu and Kashmir include ruby, beryl and kyanite. Rajasthan. Garnet, pyrope, almandine and beryl, aquamarine or yellow beryl, emerald are prominent in Rajasthan. The quality of garnet, pyrope, almandine varies from a dark blackish red to purple, all varieties from a few carats to large boulders. Deposits of the above mentioned stones are found in Tonk, Bhilwara, Ajmer and Chittorgarh. The quality of beryl, aquamarine or yellow beryl, emerald is low and is available as exhausted deposit in nature. The color of aquamarine ranges from colorless to greenish blue to moderate blue. A small percentage of the stones are available in good transparent blue. Deposits of the above mentioned are found in Ajmer, Udaipur, Tonk, etc. Other gemstones that are available are aventurine, amethyst, rock crystal, garnet, almandine, hessonite, quartz, diopside, fluorite, orthoclase, potassium-rich feldspar, sodalite, Vesuvianite, etc. Bihar and Jharkhand. Plagioclase, sodium and or calcium rich feldspar, labradorite, sunstone is the prominent gemstone available here. The color of the gemstone ranges from transparent colorless to opaque white and grey with prominent inky blue play of color. These stones are available in various sizes and carving uses larger boulders. Deposits of the above mentioned are found in Indarwa and Koderma. Other gemstones that are available here are tourmaline, quartz calcite, diopside, beryl, epidote, etc. Madhya Pradesh or Chhattisgarh. In Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, a large number of new deposits are available and these states are becoming one of the potent suppliers of gemstones. The most prominent gemstones available here are diamond, corundum ruby and chrysoberyl. The color of the diamond available varies from colorless to brownish yellow to blackish. The size ranges from 0.01 carats to 9 carats and the approximate gem quality is 50%. Deposits of diamond are found in kimberlite pipes at Panna in and around Tokapal. National Mineral Development Corporation (NMDC) and Rio Tinto, global mining and metal company, run the mines here. The color of corundum ruby varies from pinkish red to a more purplish red. A huge percentage of it is occupied by the cabochon material. Deposits of corundum ruby are found in Raipur and Bastar districts, Chhattisgarh and its surrounding areas. The change in color of chrysoberyl alexandrite is about 65% with a yellow-green in daylight to purple-red in incandescent light. The size of the stone is rough and is found to be below 5 carats. Deposits of the ruby are found in Deobhag, Raipur. Other gemstones available in the state are pyrope, almandine garnet, yellow beryl, aquamarine, amethyst, yellow-green tourmaline, etc. Orissa. Orissa is considered to be one of the most important sources of gemstones. The gemstones that are prominent in Orissa are corundum ruby and sapphire, chrysoberyl, beryl and garnet. The color of corundum ruby and sapphire varies from transparent to opaque, brownish red to purplish red, brown, yellow and blue sapphires. The deposits of corundum, ruby and sapphire are found in Kalahandi and Bolangir districts. The color of chrysoberyl cat's eye varies from bluish green, brownish green, yellowish green, brownish yellow and honey gold colors. The color of alexandrite varies from bluish green to reddish brown, yellowish green to pinkish red, green to red. The deposits of the above mentioned are found in Koraput, Bolangir, Kalahandi, Sambhalpur and the area abutting Andhra Pradesh, Araku Valley. The color of beryl ranges from green, yellow and blue colors, transparent and cat's eye. The size of the beryl varies from 1 carat to over 500 carats. The deposits of beryl are found in Sambalpur, Phulbani, Bolangir. The deposits of garnet are found in Koraput, Kalahandi, Bolangir, Phulbani and Sambalpur districts. Other gemstones available in Orissa are iolite, topaz, tourmaline, sillimanite, spinel, quartz varieties, diamond, feldspar, orthoclase, plagioclase, apatite, enstatite cat's eye, etc. Andhra Pradesh. The gemstones that are available in Andhra Pradesh are chrysoberyl, alexandrite and alexandrite cat's eye, corundum ruby. The color of chrysoberyl varies from yellowish green to olive green to a bluish green. The size varies from 1 carat to over 20 carats. Small deposits of lemon yellow cat's eye with a honey gold are also available in Andhra Pradesh. Deposits of these gemstones are found in Khammam, Araku Valley and Visakhapatnam. The color of alexandrite and alexandrite cat's eye ranges from bluish green to brownish red or pinkish red. The size varies from 1 carat to about 10 carats. Deposits of the above are found in Khammam, Krishna River area, Araku Valley and Visakhapatnam. The color of corundum ruby ranges from transparent to opaque, reddish pink, to red and more blackish red. Huge deposits of the ruby are found in Khammam, Guntur, Anantapur, Warangal and Visakhapatnam. Other gemstones that are available here are diamond, spinel, pyrope, almandine and hessonite, garnet, amethyst, aventurine quartz, sillimanite, yellow-green tourmaline, iolite, etc. Karnataka. Corundum ruby, sapphire are the gemstones prominent in Karnataka. Karnataka has been supplying star rubies over years. The color ranges from deep purple red to pinkish red with varying sizes. The largest star ruby in the world weighs 6,465 carats. The blue sapphire, blue corundum rock, which is opaque, is available in large boulder sizes. Deposits of the ruby are found in Mysore, Ramanahalli, Duggahalli, Coorg, Markera, Tumkur, Hassan, Chikmagalur. The transparent ruby, usually available in pink-red color, is found in and around Mysore. Tamil Nadu. Corundum ruby, feldspar, chrysoberyl are the prominent gemstones available in the state of Tamil Nadu. The color of ruby varies from purple red to deep red with a fair percent of good quality. Deposits of ruby are found in the Kangyam Karur belt, Salem, Manwadi, Kambam district, Coimbatore, Madurai and Tiruchirappalli districts. Some distinguished quality star ruby has been found in Karur. Sapphires in brown, grey, greenish yellow and black, some with asterism, have also been reported here. Orthoclase, potassium rich, and plagioclase, sodium and or calcium rich feldspar are available in all colors. Transparent to translucent moonstone with white, grey, pink, green, black colors etc. are available. Cat's eye and four-ray star, sunstone feldspar ranging from brownish to a pure orange color, labradorite and spectrolite quality at moderate grades are also available. Deposits of the above mentioned gemstones are found in Karur, Salem, Coimbatore, Madurai, etc. Chrysoberyls, cat's eye color ranges from yellowish green to green. The color of alexandrite varies from a deep green to blood red color in the finer specimens and a yellowish green to brownish red in the moderate qualities. Deposits of above mentioned gemstones are found in Kangyam, Karur region and Madurai district. Other gemstones that are available are black star diopside, beryl, aquamarine emerald, quartz, rock crystal, rose, aventurine, iolite, bloodshot iolite, cat's eye, speen, zircon, enstatite, cat's eye, etc. Kerala. Good quality cat's eye and alexandrite are prominent in Kerala. The color of the cat's eye ranges from greenish yellow, grey to brownish yellow. The change in color varies from yellowish or brownish green to brownish red. Other gemstones that are available in Kerala are corundum, ruby and sapphire, feldspar, orthoclase and plagioclase, topaz, quartz, star, cat's eye, rose, sagennetic quartz, beryl, aquamarine, etc. Size and structure of gemstone industry in India. Gemstones were discovered about 2,400 years ago, and notably, India was the first commercial producer of diamonds. Today, India is the largest market for gems and jewelry with a domestic sale of over $10 billion. Next to USA and Japan, India is the third largest consumer of polished diamonds. The present market size of the gemstone industry is $25 billion. The reason for its giant growth is that it has a pivotal role to play in the Indian social fabrics. In addition, India is the largest diamond cutting and polishing center in the globe. Out of 10 diamonds sold globally, 9 of them are cut and polished in our country. The industry is intensified in Maharashtra and Gujarat, with Mumbai and Surat as the diamond cutting and polishing centers in both the states respectively. Gemstone industry contributes approximately 15% to the annual growth of our country. Despite the fact that the industry is flourishing, it is a potential foreign exchange as well. The industry counts to 20% of the total Indian exports with a growth rate of 3.36%. The industry employs over 2 million people, either directly or indirectly. Structure of gemstone industry in India. The gemstone industry in India is a highly fragmented and unorganized structure with a lot of domestic private sector companies in it. 96% of the total key players own a family business. Though we are not key miners of metals and stones, our low-cost labor coupled with skilled workforce, handmade, makes us a leading diamond processor in the world. Indian diamonds account for about 55% share in terms of value in the international market, 80% share in terms of caratage, weight, and 90% share in terms of volume. Today, India has all range of diamonds from small to big in terms of size, quality and cut. The diamonds pass through a series of steps before they are placed in the market for sale. The value chain of diamonds starts with mining and ends up with selling. Now, let us see the steps one by one. Mining. The number of commercially viable diamonds are very few in number. Basically, there are 3 types of mining. They are open pit mining, underground mining, and extraction from alluvial deposits. The diamonds obtained as a result of mining are called rough diamonds. They are categorized based on the color, size, shape, and quality. Moderate quality diamonds are used for industrial purposes, and the good ones are subjected to further processing. Sorting, grading, and valuing of diamonds are done in this step. Then, they are sent to cutting and polishing centers. Manufacturing and retailing. The processed diamonds are sold to the manufacturer directly or via registered exchanges. The manufactured diamond jewelry is either sold to a wholesaler or directly subjected to retail market. Gemstone certifications, regulatory bodies, market trends and key players. The Certification Authority of India, as far as the gemstones are concerned, is the Gem and Jewellery Promotion Council, GJPC. The import or export of rough diamond shipments has been banned by the government's Central Board of Excise and Customs unless it receives a process certificate from Kimberley. All these certifications have added value to the Indian gemstones in the international market. Regulatory bodies. The Gem and Jewellery Export Promotion Council, GJEPC, was established in the year 1966 with the aim of promoting precious stones and jewellery export. The council holds 6,500 members globally and its objectives are as follows: to introduce Indian gems and jewellery in the international market and to promote its exports, to provide the information relevant to the market, which include foreign trade inquiries, trade and tariff regulations, jewellery fairs, expo exhibitions, and rates of import duties to the council members. Initiatives taken by GJEPC. To enhance the competitiveness, the GJEPC took the following initiatives. The Ministry of Commerce prepared the medium-term export strategy for gems and jewellery sector, exploring opportunities for direct procurement of rough diamonds from countries mining it, approaching the direct market retailers via expos or exhibitions, gathering data via market research to locate new markets, promoting hallmark jewelry export to ensure the quality and purity of jewels made in India. The Gem and Jewelry Trade Council of India, GJTCI. The GJTCI was established to enhance the gemstone and jewelry trade of India. It is active in resolving issues related to the Indian trade. It reveals latest information about the market and many more via newsletters, exhibitions, seminars, workshops and festivals. The Bureau of Indian Standards, BIS. BIS is responsible for hallmarking the jewelry to ensure purity of gold jewels. Market trends. No doubt that the gemstone sector is one of the fastest growing sectors in India. Our country counts to approximately 60% of the polished diamonds globally. The rise in gold prices has paved way for the growth and development of this industry. These days, diamond-studded jewels are considered to be highly valuable. The global slowdown has relatively reduced the price of diamonds. In the last 4 years, the diamond jewelry sale has increased from $1 billion to $4.2 billion. A recent research states that about 25% of gold jewel purchasers have shifted their attention towards diamond jewelry. The major competitors in the globe exclusively for diamonds are China and Belgium, and that of gemstones are Sri Lanka and Thailand. Small to big units in special economic zones, export processing zones, and electronics export processing zones. India exports its gemstones to other countries and has a very good name in the international market. From April 2012 to March 2013, India has exported 310,081.11 with a growth rate of 2.76%. In the financial year 2012-2013, India has exported $24.8 billion of gems and jewelry. The largest importer for the year 2012-2013 was UAE with a share of 33%. In the year 2012, India has imported 45.39%, that's $41.93 billion of gems and jewelry. This is almost 14% higher when compared to the year 2011. The import of rough diamonds has been increased by 31.82% and that of polished diamonds by 78.94%. Future trends of the industry. The Indian gemstone industry is marching towards a strong success. In 2015, India and China is expected to capture at least a quarter of the international luxury market. The domestic market is set to cross $40 billion in 2015. Furthermore, the initiatives taken by the government for the growth and development of this sector is a positive sign for increase in sales. Conclusion. The gemstone industry is a highly volatile and attractive sector. The possibility of industry expansion is quite high. But there are some areas where the sector has to concentrate to strengthen its place in the international market. The conflicts of interest between the organized and unorganized players must be resolved. Technology improvement must be done. Awareness about the local competitors and import of raw material. Of course, there are lots of challenges and hurdles that may be on the way in the forthcoming days. Still, the strong foundation of this sector in India is expected to overcome all hindrances and reach heights. Furthermore, skilled workforce coupled with cheap labor cost makes our country a favorable destination point for gemstone cutting and processing.